Hi, this is the Salem CSD face shield update video. So we finally received our PETG plastic. If you'll notice that I bought two reels, one for each machine, and the orange should look very familiar because all of the parts that are on the 3D printer, over here, all the 3D printed parts are made out of that exact same plastic. The plastic itself, PEG plastic, is a better plastic to use for face shields than the PLA plastic. PLA plastic is the plastic we use for our keychains and locker magnet project. It's very inexpensive, it's non-toxic, and it doesn't require a lot of temperature and heat to melt and produce a part. The PETG plastic is a little bit different. It is more durable than the PLA. It's not as rigid. It won't snap. If you try to bend it, it'll kind of give a little bit and bend a little bit. It's more durable than the PLA plastic. Also, the temperature that is required for the 3D printer to print with the PETG plastic. So again, I'm going to compare it to the PLA plastic because that's what everyone's familiar with in class. The PETG plastic is printing at 250 degrees Celsius, and the print bed is at 90 degrees Celsius. Where the PLA plastic, the temperature of the extruder is about 220 degrees, and the temperature of the heat bed is about 60 degrees centigrade. So the higher temperature requires a little bit different manufacturing and 3D printing processes. It will get a little stringy sometimes. There's tiny little strings that I sometimes have to just clean up a little bit. But for the most part, these are printing really, really well. These are both about 93 or 92% completely printed, and each of them have about 12 minutes or so left. I'm not going to videotape the whole process. I just wanted to give you the update and let you know that these are being printed and produced, and they will be donated to Salem's first responders by the end of this week, beginning of next week. Thank you for watching.